Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can customize invoices, sales receipts, and estimates in QuickBooks Online, so let's get started. First, start by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This cogwheel is your gateway to all the settings you need to customize your QuickBooks experience. After that, look for the option labeled Custom Form Styles and select it. Then, you'll be taken to a page that shows all the custom form styles you've already created. Think of this as your library of templates where you can edit or manage existing styles anytime. But if you want to start fresh, go to the top right corner and click the New Style button. This begins the process of creating a new, personalized template. Next, you'll need to choose the type of document you want to customize, whether it's an invoice, an estimate, or a sales receipt. Once you make your choice, QuickBooks will open the editing screen. This is your design canvas where you can adjust layouts, colors, fonts, and other features to make sure your forms reflect your company's image. A helpful tip is to stay consistent with your branding elements, like fonts and colors, so your documents look polished and professional. Finally, once you're happy with your design, click Done. Your new style will now be saved and ready to use. Whenever you create a new invoice, sales receipt, or estimate, you'll have the option to apply your custom style directly from the transaction screen, saving you both time and effort. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.